Hi everyone, Sean here from the maths team at City College Plymouth with another little tip on how to use a certain button on your class whiz calculator. We're looking at a speed, distance, time question here. So we're being asked how long does it take to travel 100 kilometres at a speed of 80 kilometres per hour. Now if I'm doing a question on speed, distance, time, I always remember to draw my triangle first, my speed, distance, time triangle. If I get this set up, I'm putting speed down here, that's my distance, and that's my time. Okay, so that's how I'm writing this triangle out. And I'm looking at what I'm trying to do. I'm basically going to fill in the gaps in this, see what I've actually got, working out which calculation it's going to be. My speed, I've got a distance of 100 kilometres, my distance goes at the top. And I've got my speed of 80 kilometres, speed's going to go down here, and I'm trying to find my time. I don't know what my time is. I'm being asked how long it takes. So basically the calculation is going to be 100 divided by 80. So that's what I'm going to put into my calculator. 100 divided by 80. Okay, I can write it over here as well. Obviously I need to show my workings in any question to make sure I'm getting the full marks. 100 divided by 80, the answer comes up 5 over 4 or 5 quarters, or if I change that into a decimal by pressing my SD button, I get 1.25. Now that isn't 1 hour 25 minutes. Do not make that mistake. That is 1.25 hours. Okay, 1.25 hours. So my answer for 1.25, I need to make that into hours and minutes. So I can use this button here on my calculator. The next button along from the negative button, if I just press that, magically that at 1.25 hours turns into 1 hour 15 minutes, which is what the answer is we're looking for. How long does it take to travel 100 kilometres at 80 kilometres per hour? It's going to take 1 hour. 1 hour and 15 minutes. And that would be my answer to that one. So another example on using this changing decimal time to minutes button on our calculator. We'll have a look at this question now. How long does it take to travel 125 kilometres at a speed of 50 kilometres an hour? So same thing, first thing we're going to do is do our speed, distance, time triangle. We're going to write that out first, speed, distance, time, and then we're going to fill in the gaps in terms of what we're actually, what information we've got. We've got a distance being travelled of 125 kilometres, that's going to go up there. The speed we got this time is 50 kilometres per hour, and we're trying to find our time. So that's telling us we're doing 125 divided by 50 to get to the answer to this question. So we'll write that down over here, 125 divided by 50. We're going to put that into our calculator. 125 divided by 50, and let's press equals. Okay, so we got 2.5 hours. That is not 2 hours 5 minutes, that is 2.5 hours. So if we are being asked to say what's that's going to be in hours and minutes, we're going to use this button again. So if I press this now, it's telling us that 2.5 hours is the same as 2 hours 30 minutes. So we can write that down there, and that would be our answer in hours and minutes. So that button is a really handy one to know if you want to make something, your answer you got in your exam, into hours and minutes. Okay, that button there does a job every time, and pressing it again just turns it back, but you can move it backwards and forwards and you can use it there.